Hello friends, in this video what we are going to do is show you how to show specific information about your product in the single product page. So let's dive in. So basically you can see that this is the product page and I can see category, code and size and flavor showing up. But what I really want is that the code should not show because this is irrelevant to the customer. What we can do is we'll go back into our app, we'll go into settings, shop settings, and from shop settings, we'll directly go into product fields to show. And we are going to say, show me product category, show me product name, show me product description. And there is no tax rate, so we can leave that as empty. Show me the size and show me the flavor. Now, size and flavor are custom fields. That's why it's showing up here. If you don't have custom fields, then these two will not show up. Now, all we need to do is refresh. And you can see that code will go away. So in order to actually hide code, we had to select everything else, and that's when the code will be hidden. That's about it. Thank you.